I would want to say something about the digital transformation, right? I've been working with on this platform for about 9-10 years now, on the education side, on the uplifting the career of young digital guys as well, and working on different campaigns. But अगर मैं इसकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखूं, something or the other, where I always say COVID has been is been a disaster for a lot of people, but it's been a blessing for the digital marketeers, right? And the digital, per se, the digital platform itself. Why? Because COVID has given us a window जो मैं हर साल सोचता था हर 3 साल बाद हम डिजिटल पे एक्टिव हो जाएंगे, हम बढ़ जाएंगे. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इतनी जल्दी आई है ये 1.5 साल में कि even our society and our world itself has gone really beyond what we even thought. All the digital people here, or even marketeers, or even digital bankers and stuff, we see how it has been transformed, right? So if I say it's all about how the digital currency is growing and moving towards, right? So अगर हम digital currency की बात करते हैं, so लोगों को deposits करने after banking hours क्या करें, you know? So we introduced, as it was already there, but we expanded the network by putting up CDMs, about 200 CDMs in the digital lobbies that we created. People could go anytime, they could go and humanless go and deposit money. ATM तो हमने सबने सुना, लेकिन अब चेक भी आप डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं, कैश भी डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं, और सारी अपनी ट्रांजैक्शंस भी कर सकते हैं. So the change had come in. The other thing, we never thought so fast, but thanks to the central bank and the government of Pakistan, where we never thought that digital onboarding of account opening would have been very simple. पहले हमें बैंक जाना पड़ता था, सारे अकाउंट खोलने पड़ते हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स होती थी. So this was tested for the overseas Pakistanis, where for overseas Pakistanis opening an account in Pakistan was a huge hassle. How? एम्बेसी जाना है, कागजात जमा करने हैं, स्कैन करना है, अपलोड करना, भेजना है पाकिस्तान, अकाउंट खुलेगा. With Roshan digital account, in 10 minutes you can open your account. You just upload your CNIC, your proof of fund and stuff, and your account is there. So this, we worked with the central bank. Our technical solution was the first in Pakistan as a bank, which was highlighted by the central bank also, that we created that technology that you can go onboarding very quickly and and seamlessly, I would say, right? So that was, and now we are sitting at about $2.7 billion market from overseas Pakistani coming into Roshan digital account, which is huge, right? जो account खुलवाना, remittance, legal channel, वो सब हमने streamline किया, and then we took that opportunity कि पाकिस्तान में भी तो ज़रूरत है, बैंक एक opportunity है, this is a window that, so we launched a platform with digital onboarding and digital account opening. Get your credit card sitting at home, get your personal loan sitting at home. You don't need to meet anyone, you just have to go online to our rapid.bankalfala.com portal and open an account. So that's so simple now. Life's become simple because of digital, right? Digital transformation, I would say.